Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to upload photo and video to Google Drive or phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Drive. Just like so. After you open up your Drive, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the plus sign right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on upload. Take you right here. Now at this point here, you have to locate your file. So let's, for instance, I want to upload images. I will click on images right here. All the images I have is going to be pump up. Now we can select as many as possible images or photos. So I'm going to simply click and hold down. I'm going to upload like 3, just like so. Having select the picture, next thing you need to do is to click on select right here. Then everything is going to be upload. Next thing we want to do here is to simply click on new again. Then we have to go back to upload again. Then this time around, we have to select video section. Then choose the video you would like to upload from your phone gallery. So let's, for instance, I want to simply upload this particular video right here. You can see MP4. I'm going to simply select on it and it upload. Next thing we want to do is to simply get to our upload progress bar from the phone notification. So we simply click on here and this is going to put. Then we have to make sure we click on resume. So we have to track our upload progress bar from here and exercise a little bit patient to make sure everything is loaded up on our drive. So you can see everything here has been successfully uploaded. We have 3 pictures and we have 1 MP4 video. By the time I go back to my Google Drive right here, if I refresh, you will see all the photos and the video that was uploaded. So this is the video and this is the first photo, second photo and the third photo. So it's as simple as that. So basically this is how to upload photo and video to your Google Drive without any stress on your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.